Okay, here we go. I'll just show you how to use the vertical door zinc bolt-on Lambo door kit. Just open the door. You can still get in. Still got plenty of room to get in. And then you can open it just like a normal door. It stops right there. Then you can shut it. Or you can open it. Just pull up one hand, pretty easy. And the door's open. Here's the bolt-on kit. You don't have to extend the wires, you just gotta pull extra out of inside the door and then put a plastic wire loom around it. Usually zip tie it, keep it on. And then just direct bolt on right here. Just right into your factory bolt holes. Take your old hinges off. Usually 99% of cars you have to cut this piece out of the fender. There used to be a piece right here and it came over, but you just cut that off. Not a big deal, don't really notice it, doesn't hurt the car, and that's about it.